Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Civic's idle. Before we begin, it is important to gather your tools and ensure a safe working environment. You will need a standard screwdriver, a tachometer to monitor engine speed, and possibly a 2.5mm Allen key. Make sure your engine is fully warmed up to its normal operating temperature for accurate adjustments, and always work in a well-ventilated area. Before touching the idle screw, perform some crucial checks. Inspect for any vacuum leaks or damaged hoses, as these can significantly affect idle stability and cause surging. Also, ensure your air filter is clean and the PCV valve is operating correctly. Finally, turn off all electrical loads such as your headlights, radio, and air conditioning to minimize engine strain and ensure an accurate reading. Now, let's adjust the idle. Find the idle adjustment screw on your throttle body. It often has a factory paint seal. With the engine running and in neutral, turn the screw in small, quarter-turn increments. Turning it counterclockwise usually raises the idle speed. Continuously monitor your tachometer, aiming for approximately 700 to 750 revolutions per minute. After your adjustment, the engine should idle smoothly between 700 and 750 revolutions per minute. If you've cleaned the throttle body or replaced the idle air control valve, an idle relearn procedure might be beneficial. This involves disconnecting the battery for 1 minute, then letting the engine warm up and idle for 10 minutes. Take your Civic for a test drive to ensure the idle remains stable under various conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.